The temperatures in the 90s all day. All eyes were on those who work outside.
Local 5's Danielle Zulkowski hit the pavement to chat with the workers who arguably have one of the hottest jobs around.
Wisconsinites are facing a heat wave, and those facing some of the worst of it are construction workers. Many are out at sites like this one behind me here for an entire 8-hour day.
Just do it how everybody else does it, just drinking water and do what we can. Take a break once in a while. The guys are pretty responsible. If they don't feel very good, they'll say something.
The workers we talked to say they do take steps to stay safe in this heat.
Drink lots of water, take a break if you gotta, get in the air conditioning if you got to. Oh, it's never fun. No, it's never a good time. And when the heat index is above 100, it's just like sweating more than usual. And I don't know, I'm not a guy that drinks a lot of water, but doing this kind of weather, I suppose.
Those we talked to say staying healthy and hydrated on days like these is a top priority. In Appleton, Danielle Zulkowski, Local 5 News.